Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy. Hope you're healthy, inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today we're talking about the health revolution. Are you a part of it? Before I dive into today's topic of conversation, if you're new, you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do. Over the last decade, I've had the pleasure of running my own juice businesses in almost every capacity you can imagine, as well as with my company supporting hundreds of entrepreneurs all over the world, launch and scale successful juice bar concepts, acai bowl businesses, and so much more. All the information on this channel is coming from this wealth of experience. Early invitation to press the thumbs up button. It supports the channel and really supports the movement, which is what I'm here to talk to you about today. I had a really powerful and beautiful conversation recently with someone, and I have a lot of really great conversations with people like you in the community who are similar to me in the sense that if you're getting into this business, more than likely you're inspired to do it because you really understand that humanity is underserved when it comes to their health. There are people, the leading killer of humanity, at least in America that I'm aware of, is heart disease. And we know that this is a lifestyle disease, right? There is scientific evidence that if you change your diet, you change your lifestyle, you can reverse something that is killing the majority of people. This is the number one killer, okay? And so when you think about this and you realize how powerful the things that we've been exposed to are, I remember when I first got started juicing, and my whole life changed. My energy changed. I was sleeping better. I felt more vibrant. I just wanted to tell everybody about it, right? I was that person going to parties, and I had an extra 32-ounce jar of juice. I'd make one for myself, make one for my friends, and I was just giving it out to people because I was so passionate. And this was a long time ago. This was, 16 years ago. And I had a conversation recently with someone who was looking to get into the business, and it was a similar story, right? She had actually lost a lot of weight. She wanted to see she's in a community that doesn't, usually have conversations about health, doesn't usually have juice bars. And she wanted to create a community hub that was going to be a beacon of light and of healing in her community. And I'm seeing more of this actually more often. To me, what this is showing me is how profoundly things are changing. And part of being a intelligent entrepreneur, I'll say, is kind of like if you were surfing, right? You're watching the wave before it comes, and you start making you start paddling so that you can catch the wave by the time it's ready. And what I know is happening, and I'm witnessing happening, is that there's a revolution with humanity's health. I often say on this channel is that it doesn't make sense that we live in a world where there are more unhealthy food service businesses than healthy food service businesses. Because if the world and humanity is intelligent, 95 to 100% of things that we put into our mouths should be good for us, should be healing for us, should be supporting our well-being. And so I'm watching it happen in real time. And as I asked the question in the beginning, is, are you a part of this? I know a lot of us have the intentions to support our communities, but are you saying yes to it? There are people who need you to open your business because they don't know the things that you know. They don't have access. And so we are here to support you. I just wanted to let you guys know and just make you aware, because a lot of times when we are in isolation, right, you're one individual, or maybe you have a partner, husband or wife, and you think that you're the only one who's realizing that your community needs a juice bar or a healthy food service business. And I can tell you it's happening everywhere. And if you don't do it, very likely someone else in your community will, which is beautiful for your community. And I'm glad about that. But also know that it's important that people who have high integrity, who really understand the importance of health, take these businesses on. And that's part of our mission. Because I've seen so many heart-centered, beautiful entrepreneurs or beautiful aspiring entrepreneurs who don't have the experience start businesses and they don't go well. And so for me, I want to empower as many people as possible in creating healthy food service businesses, because that's what humanity needs. Having good intentions is beautiful, but if we don't execute correctly, then nobody gets served. You don't have a successful business, your community doesn't have access to healthy products, and that's a shame both ways. So as you guys know, reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. If there's a way that we can help you, we would love to do that. Until next time, another invitation, press the thumbs up button that supports the channel and the world. And if you have any questions or comments, you know where that goes, in the comment box below. And then lastly, follow us on Instagram. We have exclusive content there, giveaways, and so much more. And then if you like podcasts, the Juice Bar Experts podcast on Spotify, and on iTunes. Until next time, yeah, we're here to create a world where there are more healthy food service businesses than unhealthy food service businesses. And together we can make that a reality. Thank you guys for all that you do. See you soon. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.